Hey, good morning traders. This is the second video in the how to adjust the 0 DTE SPX. In the first video we sold a iron condor to open it up, and these are the call strikes we use, the 4180 and the 4190. That portion of the iron condor collected 80 cents. So let's say the market starts going down and you could buy this portion of it back for, say, 40 cents. Okay, you buy this portion of it back for 40 cents, and then you would go down and basically reestablish another call side of it to say, if it had moved down, say, 30 points, you could move this down 30 points. You have to move both of them down, the short and the long, keeping it 10 wide. That would keep it balanced, and that would be for more credit. So your overall credit would increase. Like I say, you sold this for 80, bought it back for 40, so that's 40 cents you have in the bank, so to speak. And then go down here and resell the call side for even more credit, with the intention that maybe say it goes down 30 points down to the 40.80 or 40.75 and hangs there the rest of the day, so your put side would expire worthless as well, and your call side as well. That's one way to adjust it, and you can do that if you're not in the day trade pattern group there. You can do that many times a day. I've done that sometimes as many as 3 times in a day on a big move, either up or down. So that, and the same goes for the put side. If the market was going up, you would close your put side of the trade out and sell a higher put for collecting more credit. As long as you are keeping the current market price in between your short strikes, it will pay out profitable.